What if I told you that the future of technology isn't just in your hands, but right in front of your eyes? Imagine a world where your glasses don't just help you see, but connect you to the internet, allow you to interact with digital spaces, and even replace your smartphone. Sounds like a science fiction, right? But this is exactly the vision Meta is chasing, and that's why they have partnered with the world's biggest eyewear giants like EssilorLuxottica and the company behind brands like Ray-Ban, Oakley, and Petzl. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, isn't just a social media company anymore. Mark Zuckerberg has been very vocal about where he sees the next chapter of the internet, the Metaverse, a fully immersive digital world where we don't just scroll through feeds but live, work, and interact in a 3D environment. For this vision to come true, hardware becomes just as important as software because people are going to spend hours in digital spaces. They need a seamless way to access them, and not everyone wants to wear a bulky VR headset. That's where smart glasses come in. But why eyewear? Think about it. Almost 4 billion people in the world already wear glasses. It's a natural, socially accepted accessory. Unlike VR headsets, glasses are light, stylish, and something people are used to wearing daily. If technology could be merged into eyewear, it could feel less intrusive and more natural. This is why Meta turned its attention to eyewear as the gateway into augmented reality. And when it comes to glasses, no one dominates the market quite like Essilor or Luxottica. Luxottica isn't just another eye brand; it's a monopoly in disguise. They own or license some of the most iconic names in eyewear, from Ray-Ban and Oakley to high fashion labels like Prada and Versace eyewear collections. Not only do they control the brands, but they also dominate the supply chain from lenses and frames to retail stores like sunglasses and lens crafters. Simply put, if Meta wanted to put a smart technology into glasses that people would actually wear, Luxottica was the only realistic partner. Ray-Ban Stories in 2021, Meta and Luxottica launched Ray-Ban Stories, a pair of smart glasses that look just like the iconic Ray-Bans but had cameras, microphones, and speakers built inside. Unlike previous attempts at smart glasses like Google Glass, Ray-Ban Stories were designed to be stylish, fast, and tech-second. They allowed users to take photos, record videos, listen to music, and even answer calls, all while looking like they were wearing regular sunglasses. The strategy was clear: make smart glasses cool and socially acceptable before gradually interesting more advanced AR features. The biggest strategy behind the investment, Meta isn't just experimenting with eyewear; it's laying the groundwork for the future of augmented reality. By partnering with Luxottica, they gain access to decades of expertise in design, fashion, and consumer behavior. Meta knows that no matter how advanced the tech is, if people don't want to wear the glasses, the product will fail. Google Glass failed not because the tech wasn't interesting, but because it looked awkward and intrusive. Meta is trying to avoid that mistake by focusing on wearability and style first. So why not build in-house? Many might wonder, Meta is one of the richest companies in the world. So why not just build eyewear on their own? The answer lies in trust and reach. Luxottica already has distribution networks across thousands of retail stores worldwide. They understand consumer demand, fashion trends, and supply chains far better than a company ever could. By collaborating instead of competing, Meta can fast track its vision of AR adoption without spending decades trying to crack the fashion industry. So, beyond Ray-Ban Stories, current Ray-Ban Stories are just the beginning. They don't yet project augmented reality overlays, but that's the direction Meta is headed. Imagine glasses that can show you navigation, arrows on the street, translate the text in real time, display your messages without pulling out your phone, or even let you attend a virtual meeting while walking the park. Meta is investing heavily in AR displays, miniaturized processors, and advanced AI that could make all this possible. And when they are ready to roll it out, they'll already have a partner who can make the glasses stylish, affordable, and desirable. The battle of big tech. Meta isn't the only player in this space. Apple, Google, Amazon, and even Microsoft are racing to develop AR hardware. Apple is rumored to be working on AR glasses that could rival the iPhone in importance. Google has already tested multiple versions of smart glasses, but Meta's advantage lies in its social ecosystem. Billions of users across Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. If they integrate these platforms into eyewear, Meta could create an entirely new way of interacting with social media, hands-free and always connected. Risk and challenges, of course. This journey isn't without challenges. Privacy concerns are very huge. After all, wearing glasses with cameras would make people comfortable. There are also technological hurdles like battery life, display quality, and heat management. And perhaps the biggest challenge is consumer adoption. Will people really replace their traditional glasses or sunglasses with smart versions. That's why Meta's partnership with Luxottica is so critical. It ensures that the glasses look good enough for people to actually want them. Meta's investment in the world's biggest eyewear company isn't about selling sunglasses. It's about shaping the future of how we experience reality itself. By blending fashion with cutting-edge technology, Meta is trying to make the next revolution of the internet something we can wear every day. But the real question is, will the world accept this shift or will it resist like it did with Google Glass? One thing is for sure, the battle for the future of our eyes has already begun.